Are you looking to find the perfect Instagram filter but not sure how to search for it? In today's video, I'll show you how to easily search for filters on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. From your home feed, tap on the plus icon or swipe right to open the camera. Once you're in the camera, you'll see a series of filters at the bottom of the screen. Swipe all the way to the right until you see the browse effect option and tap on it. Now you're in the effect gallery. Here you can explore popular filters, categories, and even search for specific filter. Tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right to open the search bar. Type in the name of the filter or the type of effect you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for a retro filter, just type in retro and hit enter. Browse through the search results to find a filter you like. Tap on a filter to see a preview and try it out if you like. To save filter, simply tap on it, and if you like the filter, click on this and your filter will be saved. And that's it. You've now learned how to search for and save filters on Instagram. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.